Savage
I
takes
took
Blount
Blount.
over B.C Rain.
Yeah, I ain't taking by no points or nothing like that, but I'm gonna tell you why. You got to realize that Blount defense as a whole still had their work cut out for them because the offense couldn't produce. When the offense can't produce and you can't sustain a drive, your defense is gonna play more. No matter how much you condition them boys, they ain't conditioned enough to be on the field 78% of the game. You know what I'm saying? So I personally feel like, and then also you gotta look at that Viger got a real arsenal when it comes to their wide receiver room. 6 is just the start of it. You know what I'm saying? They got some real receivers over there, a few of them.